Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Hydraluxe Intensive Moisturiser. Now the Hydraluxe is a rich, luxurious moisturiser that deeply hydrates your skin. This is essential for anti-aging, dry and sensitive skins. The Hydraluxe improves moisture retention, helps reduce signs of aging and preserves the appearance of a youthful skin. Your skin will feel and look softer, smoother and healthier. Hydraluxe have some wonderful key ingredients which make this cream from PCA so special. It has adaptive hydration, which is an advanced complex that regulates moisture levels in the skin, reduces water loss and adapts the formula to different environments. It also has chicory leaf extract, which is a botanical that supports the skin structure and reduces the visible signs of aging. And lastly, peony extract, which maintains and improves skin volume and supports long-term healthy skin. This is suitable for dry, sensitive and aging skin. To use this, you would smooth a teaspoon-sized amount onto your skin day or night and after cleansing and before any of your corrective serums. Now this works great during the day with your SPF sun product, and at night time apply after your corrective serums such as your intensive age refining treatment with retinol. So if you would like to purchase the PCA Hydraluxe, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below, or we are offering now face-to-face skin consultations and that can be organised online. Until next time, have a great day.